Annyeong! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make quail eggs in soy sauce, Mechurial Jangjorim. It's very famous Korean banchan side dish in Korea. It's not difficult to make and it can be kept in refrigerator for about 10 days, so it has been loved for a long time. I uploaded a video of eggs in soy sauce Gyelan Jangjolim a few months ago. It's almost similar taste, but the quail egg version is much easier to eat. You don't need to divide the egg because the quail egg is very tiny. You can just pick the egg and put it into your mouth. Look at this. It's much smaller than a normal egg. It's so cute. Okay, then let's set the table. First, prepare the quail eggs and let them stand at room temperature for several minutes. When it's too cold, it can be broken during boiling. Pour the water in a pot and add salt and vinegar. Through this process, it makes it easy to peel egg later. And put quail eggs carefully. Bring to a boil for 8 to 10 minutes. During the time, let's cut the shiitake mushroom. Wash them well and cut them into quarter slices. When the eggs are done, move them to cold water. Ice water is the best actually. Let them cool in cold water and peel eggs carefully. Shell is thinner than normal eggs, so it can be a little bit difficult. You need the patience. After that, rinse them in cold water. And then move them to a pot and pour the water. And add soy sauce, oligosaccharide, and ground black pepper. Bring to boil over medium-high heat for 20 minutes. When the quail egg is darkened, reduce the heat to low and add shiitake mushrooms. Bring it down for 10 minutes more. Ta-da! It's done! Sprinkle with sesame seeds and serve them with cooked rice. I prepared the cooked rice, quail eggs in soy sauce, and my mom's cucumber kimchi. Okay, let's try quail egg. So cute. It's so yummy. The sauce really goes well with egg, especially egg yolk, and the shiitake mushroom tastes like beef. The flavor is awesome. The combination is so good. When you serve this banchan, it will be gone in a minute because it's yummy and it's easy to eat like a finger food. I'm so happy because I still have more eggs here and there. If you have leftovers like me, then store them in a food container and keep refrigerator. Then you can eat for a week to 10 days. Today I made Mechurial Jangjolim. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.